Well, the number of new COVID infections is trending up yet again in New Orleans, but Paul Murphy tells us so far the uptake has not sent many new patients to area hospitals.
COVID cases are heading back up again in New Orleans.
I think we want to continue to monitor the cases as we're doing throughout the community, as well as in school settings.
NOLA Public Schools is reporting new infections of students and staff have gone from only 2 cases 3 weeks ago to currently 49 cases. The city has gone from averaging 5 to 10 new infections a day a few weeks ago to about 50 a day.
This is something that we anticipated because we watched it in Europe. We've seen it happen in the Northeast, and we knew it was a matter of time before our cases started to tick up.
City Health Director Dr. Jennifer Avegno says right now the COVID case count is manageable. It's far below the thousands of new infections a day during the height of the Omicron variant a few months ago. Dr. Ben Springate from LSU Health New Orleans and an advisor to NOLA Public Schools says so far the bump in new cases has not resulted in an increase in patients going to the hospital.
A lot of times now people do home tests. We don't have the data associated with those tests, right? A lot of times people may not get tested at all if they're sick. So hospitalizations provide a very clear data point that we can point to and say, things are getting pretty bad potentially.
Tens of thousands of people are coming to New Orleans this weekend from across the country for the Jazz and Heritage Festival. Dr. Avegno has some advice for people heading out to the fest.
If you're thinking of going out to Jazz Fest, but you've got that sore throat or that lingering cough or that runny nose, test yourself before you go.
And if you test positive, stay home and check out the Jazz Fest next weekend. Paul Murphy, Eyewitness News.
Doctors say it's a good time to make sure you are vaccinated and boosted.